Hey guys, how are you today? Shawn webpianoteacher.com. Today we are talking about the lifetime membership opportunity to the website. So, most of you know I don't do this very often. I do it maybe once a year, and it is a true lifetime membership. There's no catch to it. I'm not going to cancel it in 10 years or something like that. It's a true lifetime membership. You get a family level membership, which is the highest level membership you can have on the site. Gives you access to everything on the site. Plus, you get 100 sheet credits stocked to your profile automatically. So that alone, the sheets, if you're partner level, are $5 a pop. It's a $500 value just for the sheets alone. So it's a pretty good deal. The price is $950, and it's like I said, a lifetime membership, family level membership. To get it, okay, I only give a certain amount of these out. I have a threshold that I like to reach every year, and it just helps to pay for studio costs and stuff. And once I reach that, then I pull the plug on it. So first comes, first serve here. Send me an email to easypianolessons@yahoo.com. It's in the description there, but again, it's EASY, piano lessons, plural, @yahoo.com, and just put lifetime membership in the subject, and we can go from there. Okay, I'll set it up for you, stock your account with sheet credits. But again, it's a true lifetime membership. I've been doing this for 20 years, and if you want to, wonder, is this going to keep going? Is this going to help me? Just listen to my testimonials on the website. Go to the website, webpianoteacher.com, click testimonials at the top, and pretty much everyone in there that did a video volunteered to do it for me. They are lifetime members. That most of them have been with me 10, 15, and some even the whole 20 years. And I just love my job. Without you guys, I couldn't do this. So thanks to everyone who has been a member on the site, even if you couldn't afford it and you just, watch the free lessons. I appreciate that too. But again, just send me an email to get that deal. And I would do it quick if you really want it, because it's going to be a limited time. And let me know if you have any questions. Just send me an email.